So I was here in New York having such a good job at a very, very high position at a very young age. And here I am in depression, completely broke, having debts, and lost my job. So, of course, while I was working with him, so there was a beautiful conversation came up that what we call is when you hold the space, it was not that I am wise, he himself very beautifully gave all the information that when I was young my dad used to always say that when you have got too much money then you are not a good human being. Okay. And now he achieved something at a very young age and he would have a lot of money. So what was the belief in his subconscious mind that I have got a lot of money, so it means I will not remain a good human
Human
being.
being.
So I will get into bad habits and all that. So those fearful beliefs started to kick in. So then again he said that that in my family everybody would talk that if you get a lot of money at a very young age so easily, surely that's not a hard-earned money. Surely you are doing something
Quick
quick
money,
money.
some
Quick
hold
money is
like
not a good money. And he told me that he would go to the shopping mall and he would actually buy things unnecessarily so that he doesn't see that bank balance.
Subconsciously is bringing it down.
no.
So he's bringing it down. And it was all about his relationship with money. He made himself come to that level that where he's financially broke. He made himself come to that level where he has got no money and loses his job. And when we worked with all those limiting beliefs, he got his job back. He started to serve himself and others, I think within 2 or 3 sessions, in a very simple and most effective way. A 27-year-old guy was back in track. He himself had an innate wisdom to understand that his reality was created by the beliefs he had then to reprogram and rewire those beliefs. So the new beliefs were, it's not that quick money is a good money. I respect money, and I respect money. With this money I serve myself and others. I'm still a very humble human being even when I'm a billionaire. So he converted his whole limiting beliefs into life enhancing beliefs. So the result was a beautiful reality.